everyone, I'm a third grader here at Liceo Sorosha International School. And guess what? Science is like magic, but even better because it's real. In our PYP world, science is one of the big ideas that helps us explore, ask questions, and understand everything around us. Our science teacher, Mr. G, gave us an awesome challenge. We had to do a science experiment we've always wanted to try. Film it, create a poster, and explain in class how we use the scientific method, just like real little scientists. We followed some super important steps. We observed, asked questions, made a hypothesis, tested out, and drew conclusions, just like real scientists. The scientific method helped guide us through our experiments.
All of these steps are part of something we use all the time in the IB called the cycle of inquiry. It's a way of learning that helps us stay curious, think deeply, and keep exploring, whether we're doing science, reading a book, or learning about the world. The cycle of inquiry is always there to guide us. Science is one of the many pillars of the IB program because it teaches us to investigate, be creative, and solve problems. Thanks to science and the cycle of inquiry, we're not just learning facts, we're learning how to think like real scientists and maybe even change the world. When you're curious and brave, science can take you anywhere.